Diego Gomez, the voice that shakes the gates of hell and wakes up a sleeping society. Founder of 3 Dimension Media, Inc., and host of the Making Noise show on the Spreading the Gospel Everywhere podcast, Diego is a truth teller with a fire for faith and a flair for political satire. Whether he's breaking down scripture, exposing societal nonsense, or crafting graphics that strike like a trumpet blast, Diego brings divine insight with streetwise edge. He's a modern-day Jeremiah with a mic, preaching transformation, maturity, and mind renewal, one powerful podcast at a time. Spreading the Gospel Everywhere is not your average Sunday sermon. Hosted by Diego Gomez of 3 Dimension Media, Inc., the Making Noise show delivers truth with thunder, where biblical wisdom collides with political satire to shake up the status quo. Each episode brings the word to life, calls out deception, and reminds the world that maturity isn't measured in years, it's forged in faith. This is the Making Noise show, where truth meets power, scripture meets satire, and the noise we make echoes through eternity. Hosted by Diego Gomez of 3 Dimension Media, Inc. We're not here to play church. We're here to shake the gates of hell. Tune in every Sunday at 1 p.m., only on the Spreading the Gospel Everywhere podcast. Let's make some noise.